I got a candle.
So,
I got a candle with a hitting. Baby girl, what's happening? You knew and body. So come on,
do you
get
hear that
your
I did
body.
this one?
So pop it for a pen. You wanna drop it for a pen. Drop it for me. This is a Miami. Wake up and move it. Get a meal for dinner. Pull yourself that skinny. Got it if you want it. Got it if you want it. Since you got it if you want it. Go out.
And I go see Mommy needs anything.
Anything you want it. Just a place where I want it. You deserve it, baby. Don't stop to do it. Shining so bright. Strawberry shine.
I said don't eat because you won't eat, and then I hit the quick stop.
Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Silk sheets and diamonds, all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. It's a Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. You could be my future. Girl, I'll be your future mamacita.
Hannah! She threw that at me! I know!
I like.
Go check on Mommy. Oh, I won't make you be nice. So yeah, bye guys. So yeah, tune in till next time. I'll post next Friday. No, not next week, or the week after. In 2 weeks I'll post next. I'll post next Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. In 2 weeks. Okay, 2 weeks. Come on, and you'll see my new posts. And I'm gonna maybe one more video today. I don't know, but once again, this is Slime, and peace out. This is Haley Laughing Baby. Peace out.